everybody, welcome to my channel The Glow Code Girl. I am Abhina and in today's video we are going to review a product. I'm going to give an honest review of the product that I have been using for a while now. So the product for review for today is this. So this is a face LED light mask from the brand Lifelong. So without much further ado, let's begin. So this is the box in which the mask comes in. I will open this, and the mask is packaged in a bag like this. So I will open this bag, and this is the mask. So the mask also comes with a instruction manual along with a charging cable. This is the mask, and it has handles like this which you can open, and here you see a small button which you need to press to switch it on. So I will do it, and the first light that lights up is a red light. So the advantage of using a red light it boosts blood circulation and metabolic processes, stimulates collagen production, and aids in reducing wrinkles and improving overall skin texture. To change the light, I need to click on the same button again. So I will click on it, and it turns the color into green. Green light stabilizes skin tone, reduces stress, and promotes the drainage of lymphatic fluids to decrease swelling. I will click on this button again to change the light, and the next color that we see is a blue color. So the blue light targets and eliminates acne causing bacteria within pores, effectively managing acne and improving skin clarity. So I will click on this button again to change the color, and here we see a purple color. So this light combines a red and blue light for a synergetic effect that helps heal and reduce acne. I will click on this button again to change the color. The next color that we are seeing is like a cyanide light, and this light gradually boosts cellular energy, supporting a healthier metabolism and enhancing skin vitality. I will click on this button again to change the color. The next light we see is an orange light, and this light enhances cellular respiration. It speeds up circulation and helps fade pigmentation, contributing to smoother skin. I will click on the button again to see the last light. The last color that we see is a light purple color. So this light focuses on reducing the appearance of age spots, fine lines, and sagging skin. To have your desired light, you need to just keep on clicking on this button like this to keep changing the light. So as you see, I'm pressing this button to change the color like this. If you want to turn off the mask, you just have to long press this button, and you see the light is turned off. To use this mask, first it is always recommended to wash your face with a face wash, and make sure your face is clean and dry is when you can start using this mask. And I usually use it at night before doing my skincare. So what I do is I wash my face properly with the face wash. I wipe my face off with the face towel so that there is no moisture on my face and my face is completely dry. Once I do that, I wear this mask on. I will show you how to do it. So always it is like closed like this. So you need to open the flaps, and then you can just place it on your ear like this, and this is how it gets placed on your face. And to turn it on, as I mentioned, there is a button that is given, and I will just click on this, and this is how the mask would look on your face. 15 minutes timer, there is a 15 minutes automatic timer. So as soon as I click on this button, the timer starts, and after 15 minutes it automatically turns off. So you don't have to do anything, you don't have to click on any button to turn this mask off. It automatically gets off after 15 minutes. So what I do is, like, suppose there are we have 7 lights and we also have 7 days in a week. So each day I use a different light. So now, for example, today is Sunday, I will be using this red light, and tomorrow I will use the next light, which is the green light. So by this I get the benefits of all the lights throughout, and the best, like, for the best effect, you can use the red light. So red light is something that I use very often. What is the ultimate goal that you want to achieve? You can use that light more frequently as compared to others. So as I want to have an overall bright skin, I usually use more of red light as compared to other lights. So it is all depending on your preference, what light do you want to use. So yeah, I mean, after 15 minutes it will get turned off automatically, and once it turns off, you can just remove the mask like this and close the lid and just put it into the box that is given. So yeah, this is very effective, and I will say I have been using this mask for a very long time now, and it really shows effects. Like, your skin definitely looks, once you have used this mask for 15 minutes, the next step that you will go ahead and do is you will start applying your skincare as usual. So after that, I apply a moisturizer, my serums, and then I go to bed. So that is my everyday skincare routine, and using this mask after my face wash is the first step that I use, and I highly recommend this product. It is really very nice. Light therapy is something that is very popular in skincare industry, and I have tried and tested this product, and it has done wonders to my skin. So I highly recommend you buying this. Again, mind you, this is not a sponsored product. This is something that I've been using, and you can comment links so that I can give you the link of this product. So yeah, that was about it for today's video. I hope this review was very helpful to you. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, do give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I post videos on every Sunday, so stay tuned for that. So see you in the next video. Till then, this is me, Abhina, signing off. Bye-bye.